Welcome to Take from 10 Shopping Day 10. Grab your whiteboard and let's get ready to do some great thinking. All right, quickly, first of all, do a fast review of your close benchmarks and then push play to check your work. All right, 547's next 10 or close benchmark is 550. 892's next 10 or close benchmark is 900, which is also the big benchmark. 646 next 10 or close benchmark is 650. 810's close benchmark is simply 810. It already has a 0 in the ones place, so it is the close benchmark. 959's next 10 or close benchmark is 960. 257's next 10 or close benchmark is 260. Great job. Now let's practice your big benchmarks. All right, let's check your answers. 768's next 100 or big benchmark equals 800. 914's next 100 or big benchmark is 1,000. 400's big benchmark is simply 400. 639's next 100 or big benchmark equals 700. 501's next 100 or big benchmark is 600. And 356 next 100 or big benchmark is 400. Great job. All right, how's your renaming coming along? Let's check it. 782 equals 200 plus 582. 458 equals 300 plus 158. 671 equals 600 plus 71. 945 equals 700 plus 245. And 527 equals 300 plus 227. All right, let's do some great math thinking by using taking from 10 or taking from the next 100 or shopping. All right, minus 374. We're going to do the close benchmark. So 374's close benchmark equals 380. I'm going to add 20 to it to get to the 400. And now I will add 124 to get to 524. Make sure you add the 20 and the 124 together to get 144. And now 380 minus 374 equals 6, because 4's partner is 6. 144 plus 6 equals 150. Great job on that. Let's do the same problem with the big benchmark now. So we'll put our minus 374 there. 374's big benchmark equals 400. Remember, big benchmarks, it's really easy to add and rename it. So it's just 124. Bring the 124 down. Now 400 minus 374, you just need to know 74's partner, which is 26. Notice we have a 90 plus 10, so 300 plus 90 plus 10 is 400. This is the harder part of this problem. So I'm going to write the 26 underneath the 124. 100 plus 0 equals 100. 20 plus 20 equals 40. 6 plus 4 equals 10 for 150. Great job. All right, 972 minus 595. I'm going to put my minus 595, and I'm going to put my close benchmark, which is 600. Notice that's also the big benchmark of this number. So this problem we're only going to solve one way because close benchmark and the big benchmark are exactly the same. I'll bring down my 372. 595 subtracted from 600 equals 5. 372 plus 5 equals 377. Great. Notice the next problem. It would be the exact same because my big benchmark would be 600. So as I solved it, it's going to look exactly identical to my close benchmark because they happened to be the same number this time because it was in the 90s. All right, let's do 705 minus 247. I'll put my minus 247 there. Its close benchmark is 250. We need to rename it. So if I'm at the number line and I have a 250, I need to get to 705. I'm going to stop at 300 by adding a 50. Now I'm at 300 plus 405. Add those both together and get 455. And 250 minus 247 equals 3. 455 plus 3 equals 458. Great job. Let's try it with the big benchmark. All right, minus 247. 247's next 100 equals 300. To rename it, that's easy, is 405. Bring the 405 down. Now to get from 247 all the way to 300, remember if I'm doing my big benchmark, I need my big partner, which equals 53. Make sure you do your 90-10 and make sure it's correct. If you need to write it underneath so that you can line up your 10s and 1s, it's very helpful. And you get the same answer. Remember, if we're doing the same problem and we do it several different ways, you should always get the same answer. Otherwise, you've made a mistake somewhere. 985 minus 839. So I'm going to put minus 839. I'll put my close benchmark up above it. And I'll add my 60 to get to 900. Now I will add 85 to get to 985. Add that together. Well, 60 plus 80 equals 145. And then 840 minus 839 equals 1. So 145 plus 1 equals 146. Great job. Let's do it with our big benchmark. Again, I write 839 on the bottom. The big benchmark equals 900. I need to add 85 to get to 985, and I just bring down the 85. 39's partner to 100 equals 61. You might use horizontal and get 140 and 6, or you might bring it down like I did on the last one. Kids, great job on this. Keep practicing your shopping. Some of you probably like the close benchmark, some like the big benchmark. So keep practicing the one you like the most and get really, really good at it so that this is a strategy that you are very proficient at. Great job.